Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get the Astra Noobie full guide. Start by identifying spawn points, equipping a reliable starter loadout, and mastering basic movement drills. Prioritize consistent aim practice, map awareness, and simple rotations to avoid common early errors. Build habits by playing short focus sessions, reviewing mistakes, and gradually adding complexity as comfort grows. Stay patient and keep practice fun to see steady improvement. Pick a starter loadout that minimizes recoil and maximizes survivability to get comfortable quickly. Use a low recoil primary, a reliable compact secondary, and basic utility that supports simple plays. Carry healing or armor items to recover from mistakes and extend rounds for practice. Keep loadouts consistent across sessions so muscle memory develops. Then slowly experiment once fundamentals feel solid. Warm up with short aim and movement drills to build consistency before jumping into matches. After each session, pick one mistake to fix deliberately and focus your next practice on that issue. Slowly introduce new skills only after core habits are reliable so you avoid overwhelming progress. Track small wins, keep sessions short and regular, and celebrate steady improvement to stay motivated through the learning curve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.